It's time to learn sum and differences of cubes. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. To prove it, let's take the right hand side. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Both the terms in the first braces a and b are multiplied separately by all the terms in the second braces. So we get a into a square minus ab plus b square plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We get a cube minus a square b plus ab square plus ba square minus ab square plus b cube. As you can see, the terms that have different signs but are same cancel out each other. And we are left with a cube plus b cube. Another similar identity is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Expanding right hand side, we can reach to left hand side expression. It is left as an exercise for you. Now we move towards some examples. Find the product of x plus 3y into x square minus 3xy plus 9y square. Now we are given x plus 3y into x square minus 3xy plus 9y square. That can be written as x plus 3y into x square minus 3xy plus 3y whole square. Brace closes. 9y square can be written as 3y whole square. Now we know a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. As we observe, here a is equal to x and b is equal to 3y. So x plus 3y into x square minus 3y into x plus 3y whole squared is equal to x cube minus 3y whole cube. That is equal to x cube minus 27y cube. So x plus 3y into x square minus 3xy plus 9y square equals x cube minus 27y cube. This is our answer. So we have learned about the identities of sum and differences of cubes. Now it's time to do some interesting examples. If a plus b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 21, find the value of a cube plus b cube. We know that a cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We add and subtract 2ab on right hand side. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square plus 2ab, the 2ab that we added, minus ab, it was already there, minus 2ab, because we added plus 2ab, we need to add minus 2ab as well. So the first three terms in the second braces becomes a plus b whole square, and minus ab and minus 2ab add up, they become minus 3ab. So the entire expression becomes a plus b into a plus b whole square minus 3ab. Now putting back the values into it, we get a cube plus b cube is equal to 10, that is a plus b, into a plus b whole square, that is 10 square, minus 3 into ab means 21. A plus b was given as 10 and ab was given as 21. On solving, we reach to the solution a cube plus b cube equals 370. Let's do another example. If a minus b is equal to 4 and AB is equal to 45, then find the values of A cube minus B cube. My suggestion is that you keep practicing and doing these examples that I am solving for you. It will let you help grasp the entire concept of identities and their application. So let's move on. Now we know that A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Again, adding and subtracting 2AB on right hand side in second brace, we get A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus B square minus 2AB plus AB plus 2AB. We subtracted 2AB in the first braces and then added 2AB later. So the entire expression is balanced. But in the first braces, A square plus B square minus 2AB is actually equal to A minus B whole square. So the entire expression becomes A minus B into A minus B whole square plus 3AB. Putting the values of A minus B equal to 4 and AB is equal to 45 in the above expression, we get A cube minus B cube is equal to 4, that is A minus B, curly braces, into 4 squared plus 3 into 45, curly braces closes. That gives us 4 into 16 plus 135, that is 4 into 151. So A cube minus B cube equals 604. This is our final answer. Thank you.